Alright, what's up, y'all? Welcome back. I'm out here trying to do a little scouting and stuff for the upcoming 2026 season. I just thought I'd give y'all a little video on what locator calls I like to use as far as locating turkeys. And my favorite to use is probably the owl call, and then I also use a crow call as well. And get it up my pocket. Figure out which pocket I put it in. It's called the hammering call. I'm pretty sure it's made by Primos as well. This one, the owl call, is too. But with the owl call, a good sequence to remember is who cooks for you, who cooks for you all. Like this. Who cooks for you, who cooks for you all. But this one specifically, it comes with 2 holes on the side of it, and I keep them covered until the very end of the call. You can either let go of both of them or one of them. If you let go of both of them, it kind of carries it out farther, I feel like. And if you let go of one of them, it's not as high pitched. But you can also do like just a plain hoot with it as well. Sounds a little different if you let go of the front hole instead of the back hole. I like to use the back hole as much as possible. But that's the owl call. I don't know if y'all can hear them owls talking back, but I done got them fired up. I'm almost positive I just heard a turkey gobble. And them owls were fired up. There they go again. About 4 or 5 of them over there hammering it. Owls, that is. Pretty sure I heard a turkey gobble in the middle of them cackling and stuff. But alright, now I guess I'll do the crow call. And with it, I just mainly it's pretty easy. You just blow air through it and use your fingers down here to kind of mimic the sound of the crow. But this one is getting a little old, so I may need to get a new one. But just do that, and you can kind of, when you blow out, you use your tongue to kind of like channel it through there to where it makes that different caw, caw, caw. Just like that. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to it out here. Maybe I can get up here and hear that turkey gobble again. But anyways, I hope y'all like this video. If y'all do, push that like button and the subscribe button, please. Appreciate it.